Hello students, today we are of learn about chapter 3rd. How do organism reproduce? कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म है वो किस तरीके से अपने नंबर्स को इंक्रीज करता है या बढ़ाता है. So first of all, we know what is the reproduction. How can I define what is the reproduction? Then reproduction is a biological process in which the organism produce new young ones which are similar to their parents. This is the definition of reproduction. Okay. Next, what is the basic features of reproduction? Number 1, replication of DNA. Replication of DNA. Second, growth. And differentiation. Next, cell division. Replication of DNA, growth and differentiation, cell division, developments, etc. Various features of the reproductions. The first, replication of DNA, growth and differentiation, cell division and developments. What is the importance of DNA? What is the importance of reproduction or significance of reproduction? Significance of reproduction or importance of reproduction. The first importance is it maintains the continuation of life. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म की जो लाइफ है उसकी कंटिन्यूटी को मेंटेन रहता है. Continuation of life. And second, produce variation. Variations. And third, transfer of variation. Transfer of variation and maintain the continuity of species. Maintain the continuity of species. Maintain the special features of population. The various importance of reproductions. Next, topic is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. What is the nucleic acid? The nucleic acid is the biomolecules or biological molecules which are present in all living organisms. See, nucleic acid, the biomolecules which are present in living organism. Two main nucleic acids are present in the all living organism. Is number one deoxyribonucleic acid. इसे शॉर्ट में हम डीएनए भी कहते हैं. deoxyribonucleic acid. And second is RNA. Ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. First of all, we learn about DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So, what is the DNA? DNA is the type of nucleic acid. Its the expanded form is D for deoxyribo, N for nucleic, A for acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Special features of DNA. DNA is the double-stranded structures. It composed of, or it is made up of nucleotides, which composed of nitrogenous bases, sugar and phosphoric acid. The basic unit of DNA is nucleotides. The nucleotide is made up of sugar, nitrogenous base, bases, and third is phosphoric acid. These three main components, essential components, which are responsible for the, or which are essential for the formation of one nucleotides. The nitrogenous basis of DNA is differentiated into four parts. A, T, C, G. The expanded form: adenine, cytosine, thymine, and fourth is urate. Adenine, cytosine, thymine, guanine. These four nitrogenous bases are present in DNA. Adenine represents A, cytosine represents C, thymine T, and guanine G. ATCG. Structure of DNA. Structure of DNA. The DNA is the double-stranded structure A, T, C, G, A, T, G, C, A, T, C, G, T, A, C, G, G, C. The nitrogenous bases present between both strands which bind to each other. One strand, strand number 1 and strand number 2. Both strands are coiled to each other and form a helical structure. The nitrogen base always A bind to adenine, bind to thymine, and cytosine bind to guanine. Continue. A के साथ T, C के साथ G. ये नाइट्रोजन बेस का पैटर्न होता है. The helix. The distance between one nitrogenous base to another nitrogenous base is equal to 3.4 angstrom, and the length of one helix is 34 angstrom. The diameter of DNA is 20 angstrom. And the one helix मतलब coil, ये पार्ट one helix कर रहा है. The one helix composed of nearly 10 base pairs. एक हेलिक्स में कितने बेस पेयर्स होते हैं? 10 base pairs. It is the structure of DNA. DNA copying. DNA copying means duplication of DNA. Duplication of DNA or replication of DNA. In this process, or in other words, the formation of new DNA from old DNA is called DNA copying or DNA duplication or DNA replication. The DNA composed of the blueprint of any organism copy which are necessary for the organism. Next, RNA, ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid. It is the single-stranded structures. Single-stranded structures composed of ribosomes, and it composed sugar, ribose sugar, and phosphoric acid, nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous bases are differentiated into A, U, C, G. A for adenine, U for uracil, C for cytosine, and G for guanine. AUCG. The DNA, RNA act as a enzyme in higher organism, but in lower organism it act as a genetic material. So we compare the DNA and RNA. What are the differences between DNA and RNA? Number one, the DNA is the double-stranded structure, whereas RNA is single-stranded structures. Second point, the DNA composed of ATCG, nitrogen bases, where RNA composed AUCG, nitrogenous bases. And third, DNA is the totally genetic material, whereas RNA is the not totally genetic material. It acts as genetic material only in lower organism, but in higher organism it acts enzymes. Various differences are present between DNA and RNA. Okay.